As the first tile backer board with a built-in moisture barrier, DensShield Tile Backer is a great choice for tiling in moisture-prone areas, delivering industry-leading mold and mildew defense on residential floors, walls, and ceilings. Compared to the leading cement and fiber cement board, you can install DensShield Tile Backer in fewer steps with less effort. Measure and cut. All you'll need is a tape measure and a utility knife, reducing job site dust and cleanup. Fasten. Because DensShield Tile Backer is up to 20% lighter than cement board, it's easier to handle. Just seal it, square it, then screw it. Gray side out, right into wall studs and ceiling joists. For floors, spread a polymer-modified thinset on wood subfloor with a notched trowel. Place DensShield Tile Backer into the thinset gray side up, then fasten to the subfloor. Lastly, tape and thinset. Start with a self-adhesive mesh tape over panel joints and corners, then thinset with a putty knife. Size it, fasten it, finish it. It's that easy. And thanks to the built-in moisture barrier, there's no need to add additional waterproofing, saving you extra steps, not to mention time and effort on your tile install.